And welcome back to Cooking with OTK. Well, we're still on our healthy streak, so today we're doing some cauliflower wings, truffle cauliflower wings. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. First things first, we got a head of cauliflower. We went ahead and cut it up into little florets, and they look like little wings, like little chicken wings. I know. It's like we planned it. But the first thing you're gonna do, we're gonna make a little batter. This is really simple. It's baked, it's not fried. The cauliflower is delicious. Plus, we're gonna make a little buffalo sauce with some truffle buffalo sauce, which is really good. We were kind of inspired by the sauce from this one little restaurant we like to go to, and they had these, the quail.
Oh yeah,
little turned out quail wings
quails.
Tossed in a truffle buffalo sauce. Oh, so good. So we kind of took that idea and now we're doing it to cauliflower.
Yeah, that was really good.
Oh, delicious. First thing, we're gonna put in some cornstarch, give it a little crispy crust, and then we're gonna get some flour. And we're making a really thick batter. You're gonna think that the batter is way too thick. How's it ever gonna coat? Don't worry, it works out. Trust me, I was a little worried too the first time. I was like, do I have to dip these individually? That's gonna be horrible. But no, we figured out a better way.
And is that just AP flour?
Yeah, it's just regular AP flour. And then we're gonna take some garlic powder, a little onion powder, and doing about a teaspoon. You can, this is the fun thing. You can add or take away if you're not a fan of garlic or fan of onion. But this simple little onion, garlic, and smoked pap and salt, it's a good combination. So again, smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked paprika, just your regular paprika will work. It just won't have that kind of smoky winginess. And because we're making truffle, we're gonna accent it with a little truffle salt. I'm telling you what, I'm on board with this truff stuff.
Yeah, truff is, they make a good product.
They really do. And I mean, I love truffle. And of course, gotta add some of my pepper.
Oh yeah.
I'm running low. I need to get a refill.
For you, you're running low every time you use it.
So we're just gonna take a little whisk and kind of whisk the flour, cornstarch, and all the seasonings together in a nice big bowl. We got some buttermilk.
Butter, believe it.
And you beat me to it. And this is where you're just gonna kind of bring it in. Don't go too crazy. And as you can see, it gets really thick, and that's what you want. Because you're just gonna be coating these guys, so it's more of like a big paste. And there we go. And the easiest way I found is you're just gonna take your cauliflower, throw it all in, don't be shy. Whew. Now you got it in. Just take you a big little whisk and spoon and just start folding. I know, it's like, how's it gonna cover? It will. Just gotta be persistent and fold.
And this technique works out really well.
Yeah, it really does. Instead of trying to dip them and push, you want this batter sticky because you want it to hold on to it. It's not like some batters that like a fish batter that can be loose because you're gonna take it and you fry it. We're baking it, so you don't want it to fall off as you're baking.
Especially because some of those batters, when they get warm, they'll get a little more liquidy.
Yes, and so you just kind of just toss it around, and you're not looking for 100% coverage. So don't be all like, oh, I gotta get it covered. No, because it's just gonna add flavor and add that little crunch to kind of make you think that you're eating a hot wing.
Yeah, trust us, you're gonna scarf these bad boys down.
Oh yeah, we've been working on this for a while, and I still love them every time we make them.
I really think we've probably eaten like 5 heads of cauliflower.
Yeah.
Maybe more.
Just on this. Oh, excuse me. So that's pretty much good. And we're gonna I like to take a glove because it is messy. And you just wanna lay out your cauliflower on a sheet pan. And now you do wanna keep some distance because once they bake, if they're all stuck together, they'll all be stuck together.
Yep.
So we're just gonna line this out. And now once you get it all on the sheet pan, you're gonna take it, you're gonna set your oven to 375, and you're gonna put it in 20 minutes. Luckily, I already have some in there. We'll set that aside, otherwise this will be a long video. Now, on the 20-minute mark, you're going to take them out. You see, look at that.
Wow.
And then you're just going to flip them over.
Yeah,
real nice.
And they're really not hot either when you pull them out.
Yeah,
so you can just do it with your hand.
The oven's on, trust me. It's hot. But the cauliflower, oh, those are looking nice. I'm gonna reverse since we're working in a smaller oven. And this is a good thing, you can do this anywhere. That's what we're trying to prove to y'all. You can cook anywhere you want with whatever. Now, that goes back in for another 20 minutes. So total cook time is about 40 minutes. And while that's in, go ahead and make our little buffalo sauce. Now this is a very simple, and you can, if you don't like truffle hot sauce or you don't have truffle hot sauce, it's not a problem. You can use Frank's. Crystal's is one of our favorites. Just any kind of hot sauce, but we got 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let that kind of melt, and then I like to add a little brown sugar. It's not traditional, but I do enjoy it. So we got about 2 teaspoons, I say.
And if you've never put brown sugar in your sauce, you really should try it.
And so we're gonna put a third of a cup of our hot sauce.
Yes.
Now they do have another brand of truffle hot sauce, which
I think it's called Melinda's.
yeah, and it's about a quarter of the price.
Yeah.
Now we've used that, and it makes a very good sauce as well. So don't think you got to go spend $10 or $14, however much this stuff is.
Hey, you might have to pull a loan to get that.
Yeah. As you see, we're just gonna start cooking it, incorporating it. I got the stove a little hot, but oh well.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
And really, you're just trying to get it all incorporated. You put it, and that's simple. That's the simple buffalo sauce. I mean, most buffalo sauce is just hot sauce and butter. So we got that all taken care of. Ooh, that's some good stuff. All right, so let's say, bing, our wings are done. So we're gonna grab these guys out of the old oven. Look at those, look at that. Now I'm gonna turn the oven up to broil, because once we toss these, come on my friends.
Those even sound nice and crispy.
Yes. So you're gonna get these guys in a big bowl, and we're gonna toss them with our sauce. And you can reserve some sauce or just have some extra. And then once we toss them, we're gonna throw them back underneath the broiler for about 2 minutes, just to kind of char that sauce and give it some good color. Oof, man, that smells really good.
Yes, that smell is even over here.
Oh, well, just like wings. Ooh. Give them a nice old saucy toss.
Look at that steam. That's awesome.
Or if you don't want wings all over your kitchen, just use your spatula. It's been a while since I've tossed wings. I don't want to make a fool of myself. See how simple? Simple, simple, simple. That's what I love. It's healthy, it's simple. So we're just gonna take them, and now that they're all done, you don't have to worry about, you can use just one sheet pan. They don't have to be spread out like before. Good. And now these guys, sheet pan's still hot, go underneath the broiler for 2 minutes, and then you're ready to go.
That was easy.
I know, so we're gonna take our little tray, and this is great. I know football's coming, the Super Bowl, all that fun stuff. This is a great party appetizer. Plus it's healthy, and let's not beat around the bush, the elephant in the room. Wings are expensive nowadays, very expensive.
Yeah.
So this is a great alternative, and they taste delicious.
I think that truff sauce is more affordable than wings.
Yeah, exactly. So I like just make a little bed of greens, come on. especially if you're having people over or if it's just yourself. Make your food look pretty.
Oh yeah.
We got some of our awesome ranch dressing. And of course, we'll take traditional, some carrots and celery, because that helps cut the spice. Get those guys down, and then, hey, our wings should be done. Hey, they're done. Ooh, and they're hot. I mean to tell you, look, see, a little broil, got it good. Now I need something. Get these guys off with. All right. It's that simple.
Wow, look at those.
You got you some pretty nice. And I'm telling you what, people may be like, huh, cauliflower vegetable? No, these are good. I was a little dubious at first when we started playing around with this. And I'm telling you what, I could eat these almost daily.
Oh, we'll probably finish these.
Oh, not that one.
Oh.
But, all right. We got our nice plate of wings.
Yeah, look at that.
That one's for me.
Ooh.
Oh.
I think that means it's taste time.
Oh, it is. Woo. I got some nice little heat. I love that sauce. Oof. All right, get over here. Well, let's give it a taste.
All right.
There you go. I'll grab you one.
Yes, sir.
Dip it in a little bit of ranch.
Oh yeah, that's OTK ranch.
I love that truffle sauce, man. You guys will love this. And you saw, simple, easy. Most of the work is just the oven doing the work.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, the longest part's the 40 minutes you gotta wait in the oven.
yeah. Other than that, it's simple, easy.
You threw that
It's
sauce
delicious.
together in no time.
Yeah, that's why I love wing sauces. Why buy it? Just make it, and it's beautiful.
Yeah.
That nice little heat, but
Oh, yeah.
with a little bit of that brown sugar calms it.
And that truffle.
Ooh. One more, then we gotta go so we can finish this plate.
Yeah. Yeah, these are
Remember, like, subscribe, and hit that little bell.
gonna be gone. That camera's off, they're gone.
So until next week, remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
All right.
Awesome. Good job.
Those are a little spicier than that other hot sauce.
Yeah, those are spicier than I remember.